Hello everyone. Welcome to Blackbox Infinite. We all love sipping cup of hot tea in rainy days. Ever wondered how rains are formed? Let's learn. For this, our beloved expert, Bubble the Bear, will help us. We all know, water doesn't fall out of a clear blue sky. In order to rain, you need clouds. Clouds form from water or ice that has been evaporated from Earth's surface, or from plants that give off water and oxygen as a product of photosynthesis. When it evaporates, water rises from Earth's surface into the atmosphere in the form of water vapors. Vapor turns into cloud and cools or condenses, thus forming liquid water or ice. Am I right, Bubbles? Bubbles doesn't talk much. In order to condense, the water vapor must have a solid glum onto it. This solid glum may be a speck of dust or pollen, or a drop of water, or maybe crystal of ice. In the cloud, continuous condensing increases size of water droplet. Thus they become too heavy to be suspended in cloud. So even with small drift of wind causes them to fall. If the air is below 0 degrees, droplets get converted to ice and it snows. Here is entire raining process visualized in brief. Before we wind up, here is interesting fun fact from Bubbles. It rained diamonds on planet Neptune. See you in next video.